when subtracting a line segment to and from another segment. Okay? A line segment of particular length can be added to another line and can be subtracted from another line of certain length. It will result another line segment if you add or shorter if you subtract them both of them. Okay, two line segment to another line segment or subtracted line segment from another. We use stretch and compass. The procedure is as follows. Okay, first, draw any two line segment, suppose A, B, and C, D, which will be added or subtracted. Okay, A, B, and C, D. Okay, second, suppose line A, B to edit to line C, D, extend C, D. Extend C, D. It also possible to subtract A, B from C, D. Meanwhile, put the tips of the compass on both tips of line segment A, B, and C, D. Okay? Next, put the tip A, the tip D of line segment. Next, draw in arc or symmetrical and C as the center. And then the new lines are obtained. Creating perpendicular lines. From a given line segment, we can create another one intersecting it, perpendicular. Suppose there is line segment AB and point C outside the line AB. Okay, we are about to create line through C and intersect B perpendicular. Then to create this contraction, use stretch, stitch, and compass. And here are some steps to it. Draw circle with center C, intersect line A, B, exactly 2 points, named point D and point E. Okay, next, draw another circle with center D and radius DC, and circle with center E and radius AC. Both of them will intersect at 2 points. C is one, F is another. Next, line connecting point C and point F. Finally, we just got line CF and intersect AB and CF. We are perpendicular lines. Okay?
Hello everyone. Well, here I will show you how to create parallel lines. At the same situation, we supposed to draw a line passing through point C parallel to AB. There we only need to continue process by using a straight edge and compass. We continue the process on the CF. The idea making another line perpendicular to CF passing through point C. Hence, this will consequently parallel to line AB. Okay, here are the steps to it. Number 1, draw a circle with center point C intersecting the line CF at 2 points, namely G and point H. Number 2, draw another circle with center point G and longer than line segment GC. Number 3, do another drawing circle with point H as the center and same radius with G center cycle. Number 4, these 2 point identical circle will intersect at 2 points, namely point I and point J. 5. Connect this point, then line IJ will be obtained. It is perpendicular to CF. However, it is parallel to line AB. Okay, we go to the next explanation. Creating equilateral triangle. Suppose equilateral triangle will be drawn from given line segment AB by using straight edge and compass. Okay, follow these following steps. Number 1. Draw first cycle with center point A and radius AB. Number 2. Draw second cycle with center point B and radius BA. Number 3. Both center will intersect at 2 points, namely point C and point D. Point C and point D. Number 4. Connect point A to point C, point A to point C, point B to point C. Then, triangle ABC equilateral. Number 5. Connect point A to point D, point A to point D, point B to point D, point B to point D.
Okay, in this segment we will talk about bisecting an angle. What is the meaning of bisecting? Bisecting means that we will cut something into two equal pieces. In this particular segment, we will talk about bisecting an angle. So, supposedly we have an angle that is angle A, B, and C. This angle we will bisect it into two equal measures. To make this construction, we will need some tools. First, we will need some straight edge, or we switch it with a ruler, and also compass. Okay, if you don't have a compass, you can use a half circle. Okay, by making this construction, you will need to follow these following steps. First, make a circle at the point B, intersect at line AB and line BC, and thus it will create a new point, that is point B and point D. Now, create a circle at the point D. Create a circle at point B. Now, then make another circle at the point E, but in this case, the circle, it will the same radius at the point D, the same radius. From both circles that create at point D and point B, it will intersect at a point, at one point. We call it point F. Connect point B to point F. Create a straight line from point B to point F. It will create a new line segment that called line BF. And thus, from line BF is bisecting an angle ABC, and it will create two new angles, that is angle ABF and FBC. Okay, that's all from my presentation. Thank you for listening and goodbye.
Okay guys, in closing we would like to quote a statement from Walt Disney. He said,
All of your dreams will come true if you have the courage to pursue them.
That is, if you have a dream, then grasp it, believe it, and chase it.
believe that
You can make your dream
come true. That's my video, a friends from us regarding historical mathematics part 2, Euclid's contraction. From this material conclude that
First, basically, in this presentation, you will need some straight edge or ruler and also a compass to create this contraction. What kind of contraction? That is, First is adding and subtracting a line segment, creating perpendicular lines, creating parallel lines, creating equilateral triangle, and bisecting an angle. That's all from our presentation.
Thanks for watching. Hope it is useful and goodbye.